So today I'm making a custom batch of cashmere soap, and it's been a little while since I made this the first time, but I had a customer who loved it so much she wants me to make her a full batch. So that's what I'll do, and hopefully I can make it at least similar to the original. That's the goal anyway. It's not going to have a whole lot of color to it. I'm going to make some layers. In the bottom layer, I'm just going to leave it the natural color that the fragrance discolors it. And then I'm going to have just a short layer that will be a pink and white in the pot swirl. And then the rest of the top part, I'm just going to add a little bit of titanium dioxide. So I don't want to mix this up too much. I'm going to use the fragrances to help get the layers to set up. Alright, I'm going to stop blending there, and I'm going to pour off 2 cups of soap for my bottom layer. I'm going to add just a little bit of fragrance to this layer. I honestly don't remember how quickly this sets up the soap. It's supposed to accelerate, but I don't remember how quickly. So far, I'm not even seeing trace. So hang on just a second. Let's blend this just a tad more. I'm going to put a board over this to help that layer set up, and then we'll mix up the next one. Alright, for the middle layer I am going to do an in the pot swirl. This is some bubblegum pink mica mixed with water, and this one will be white, so I'll add some titanium dioxide. And because the cashmere fragrance discolors, I'm actually going to use this fragrance instead for the middle layer, and I don't have very much left, so I think this will pretty much use it up. I'm going to do a cup of each. Alright, let's do the last layer. I'm going to add the rest of the cashmere fragrance. And then I'll put it on the top Wait for it to set just a little bit and then add some texture. And I forgot to add titanium dioxide. Oops. Cover. So now I'm just going to spritz it with some alcohol, cover it with plastic wrap, and we'll get to cut it tomorrow. All right, here's how it looks out of the mold. It's about 24 hours later, and as you can see, my colors are identical. This is what the fragrance oil discolors it to look like. I wish this top layer was lighter, but can't fix that now. There's the most fun part, seeing that swirl inside. And they'll probably look pretty similar all the way across. I did get some glycerin rivers in there, but I think that just kind of adds to the design. So I'm not sure if this is unmixed fragrance oil or something else that's kind of gotten mottled right there. So that's it. And you can see my mica line on the top there. That turned out looking really great. These smell amazing. So I know that my friend is going to love to receive these as soon as they're finished curing.